Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today is Thursday, better known as Friday Eve. It is the 7th of May. Welcome to it. My good things for today are students who are responsible and complete their assignments and don't shift responsibility for anything other than that onto other people. Some of the good things that you shared yesterday are ducks going to Korea, The Outsiders, tacos, frosted flakes, pizza, lemonade, waffles, personalized phone cases, your uncle's birthday, Razco, Leonard Hofstadter, MIDI keyboard, new shoes, and talking with friends. All right, this will be a short video today. On Tuesday, I asked you guys to complete this COVID-19 has made me assignment. It's a form. This is the link to it. I told you that that was due on Thursday. That means today. So complete it by today. In addition to that, I'm not going to give you a formal assignment, but I am going to ask you to do something. Yesterday, I received a fantastic email from a student basically saying, thank you for being my Avid teacher. This is what I've learned, and thank you. And it absolutely touched my heart. I did not get permission from that student to tell you, exactly what they said or who it was from, so I won't say who it was from, but you're out there, you know who you are, thank you. And it occurred to me that it would be an awesome thing if you would send a similar letter to a teacher that's affected you this year. Think of what teacher has really impressed you with their knowledge or specific things that they've done that have really helped you learn and grow as a student, and tell them. So, this is not a formal assignment. You do not have to share these letters with me. It is Teacher Appreciation Week, so it's kind of the perfect time to do this. But think of a teacher who's had a big impact on you. Think of a teacher who you honestly appreciate and want to thank. You don't have to write like a full-on novel in thanking them. It doesn't have to be a teacher that you've necessarily had this year even. But just reflect who jumps out at you as somebody who's really helped you to learn and grow, who you honestly appreciate and want to thank. Put that into words, send it in an email to them. That's it for today. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. Bye-bye.